In network, every node will have a IP address and also MAC address. IP address is a logical address and MAC address is physical address. Anytime node wants to send a datagram to a destination, it will add source IP address and destination IP address. Initially, it will send the data to the nearest router. Next, each router will have a forwarding table. It contains the IP address of the next router, and the last router will have IP address of the destination node. However, the IP address of the next node is not helpful in moving the frame through link. We need link layer address. In this situation, address resolution protocol will help to find logical link address. Address resolution protocol defined in network layer. Its work is to map the IP address to a logical link address. Address resolution protocol accepts an IP address from the IP protocol, maps the address to the corresponding link layer address, and passes it to the data link layer. Whenever a host or a router wants to find link layer address of another host or router in the network, it sends an address resolution protocol request packet. The packet includes link layer address, IP address of the source, and IP address of the receiver. Because the sender does not know link layer address of the receiver, the query is broadcast over the link using link layer broadcast address. Every host or a router on the network will receive that request packet. The one with the intended recipient recognizes its IP address. It sends back address resolution protocol response packet. So that includes recipient IP address and link layer address. The packet is unicasted to directly a source. As in diagram you can see system A, which having a N1 IP address and L1 logical link address, it will broadcast ERP request packet. Each router and system B receives this packet. As system B is a intended recipient which recognizes its IP address, it will reply with logical link address. That packet directly unicast to a system A. Then they both will have point-to-point communication. This is address resolution protocol packet. It is of 32-bit. Here hardware type is type of the link layer protocol, Ethernet or LAN or WAN protocol. Protocol type, it is network layer protocol, IPv4. Then hardware length, protocol length. Then operation, when source is sending a packet, it will be a request. When receiver is responding, it will be a reply to. Source hardware address, that is source logical link address. Source protocol address is a source IP address. When packet is a request packet, then destination hardware address will be empty. When it is a reply, it will have a link layer address of a receiver. Then destination protocol address is the responding destination IP address. So we will see an example which shows the complete address resolution protocol working. A host with the IP address N1 and MAC address L1 has a packet to send to another host with the IP address N2 and physical address L2, which is initially unknown. The two hosts are on the same network, and figure 9.9, that is next one in the slide, will show the ARP request and response messages. Here we see the example. System A want to communicate with the system B, but it don't know logical link address of system B. System A's IP address is N1, logical link address is L1. System B's IP address is N2, logical link address is L2. At source A, it will send a address resolution protocol request packet. In network, it will broadcast this packet. You can see in this packet all zeros, means it shows it doesn't know the destination logical link address, and it is request packet. All the nodes in the network receives this packet, and the intended one, that is system B, identifies its IP address, finds, and it sends address resolution protocol reply packet by adding its logical link address. So this is unicast communication. A will receive this packet and starts communicating directly. Let's see one more example. to show how communication is done at data link layer and how link layer addresses are found. Consider two systems, Alice and Bob. Alice wants to communicate with Bob. Alice knows the IP address of Bob using DNS, domain name server. Just assume that Alice knows the IP address of Bob and want to send the data through intermediate nodes. In next few slides, we will know at each node how flow of packet will happen. Flow of packets at Alice side. Alice with the IP address of NA and Bob with the IP address of NB. Address resolution protocol works at network layer. Network layer knows the given IP address, that is NA and NB, but it needs to find the logical link address of next node. Network layer consults its routing table to find out which is the next node in between Alice and Bob. So first, from a routing table, it will find out R1 is the first node and its IP address is N1. It will create the ARP request packet to find out the logical link address of this router. When R1 receives the packet, it will respond back with its logical link address, that is L1. Then data link layer creates a frame using that datagram and adds its IP address, it is LA, and sends to physical layer. Here address is converted to signals and sent through media. Alice sends a packet and it reaches router R1. In the diagram, we can see at the left side below, from Alice, signal reaches to the physical layer of a router R1. It creates a frame and sends to the data link layer. At data link layer, it will decapsulate the datagram and passes to the network layer. Network layer examines the network layer address of the datagram and finds the datagram needs to be delivered to which device, that is IP address NB. So it will check the forwarding table, which is the next node to reach the destination. Then it will find out that N3 IP address, that is router R2, but it doesn't know the logical link address of R2. Again it will send ARP request packet to router R2 and gets the response from router R2 with logical link address. Then the packet will send to data link layer. It will create a frame with its logical link address and then sends to a physical layer. Again signals will be sent through the media to next node. At R2, the same activity will be followed. Again at physical layer, the signals received from R1 sent to data link layer, frame will be decapsulated, sent to network layer, and again it will find out the NB's IP address in a forwarding table. It will send ARP protocol to find out NB's logical link address. NB will send a reply packet with its logical link address LB. Datagram will be sent from network layer to data link layer, which will create a frame with adding Bob's logical link address and sent to physical layer, and lastly the same signal will send through media to Bob. At last Bob will receive a packet, so same signal will reach a physical layer, then frame will be created and sent to data link layer. Packet will be decapsulated and sent to network layer.